The delicacies that we savor during our childhoods is truly a composition of beautiful memories. Therefore, in this episode, we wish to share a snack which is a sweet and beautiful composition. Without any further ado, let us learn to prepare sweet Shankarpali or sweet Tukdi at our homes. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The first step in preparation of sweet Shankarpali is to add 250 grams or 1 cup of all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl. To this, let us add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And then comes our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add a little salt before adding 2 tablespoons of ghee to this mixture. Let us just add 3/4 the quantity of the ghee and keep aside the rest to add at the end of preparation of the dough. And now it is time to incorporate the ghee with all the dry ingredients. Once the ghee has been incorporated, what we need is water. Let us add water as required to prepare a stiff dough out of this mixture. Once we have a stiff dough, it is time to add the ghee that we have kept aside. Let us add the ghee and knead the mixture thoroughly to have a smooth and silky textured dough. After kneading the dough for about 5 minutes, let us transfer it to a bowl and cover it with a damp cloth and rest it for about 10 minutes. Once the dough has been rested for about 10 minutes, here we have a stiff, perfect and silky textured dough. Therefore, it is time to divide the dough into 4 parts before rolling and cutting them into the shapes of diamond. Just before shaping our tukdis, let us heat some vegetable oil in a kadai. Once we have the oil on the stove top, all we need to do is roll the dough and shape them into diamonds. Here we are taking a ravioli or tukdi cutter for the purpose. And by the way, link for this tool is in the description. And let us use this tool and shape these into beautiful diamonds. All we need to do now is to transfer these tukdis into hot oil and deep fry them till they turn golden in color. This is it, my dear friends. A sweet, delicious and beautiful composition of our childhoods, sweet Tukdi or sweet Shankarpali is ready. And by the way, if you liked the episode and the recipe, firstly prepare this at your homes and then like the video and also share it with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking and have fun wherever you are.